Hey folks, Mike here, Mike Duncan. Some of you might already know me, seen some videos, or see me in the Power Lead System Facebook group. And for those that haven't seen me before, hi, how you doing? I just wanted to shoot this quick video, show you my results for last week, and just sort of like give you a bit of an inside idea, a simplistic example of how this works and how a residual income can build really quickly, or as quick as you want it to, okay, depending on how much traffic you want to put through, or you can send to your funnel, your sales funnels. Okay, I'm not going to go into setting up sales funnels. I'll do that in other videos and such, but I just wanted to show you my videos, my results for last week. Okay, so this is my inbox. I use get response private email for majority of my emails. So everything comes in here. It's a little bit different to Gmail. It just looks different. That's all it is. Okay, so this is my inbox. Okay, now I've obviously blurred some things out to protect other people, protect customers, so their emails addresses have been blurred out and things like that. Now last week I sent a ton of traffic to my funnel, to my lead capture page, and people opted in like crazy. Okay, so I got somewhere in the region of 100 or 120 odd new leads into my lead capture page, into my contact manager inside PLS. Okay, just show you down here, just show all of these are all sort of new opt-ins in the last sort of week or so. Okay, I've got a new campaign literally starting today as we speak, which I think is, let me just check the date to get my phone. It is the 27th of March. Okay, and I've got a new campaign literally starting today. So this time next week I'll do a new video and show you what my results were for this campaign. Okay, now this is something that I'm doing ongoing. So I did campaign last week, the 1 week before, and the week before. I don't normally show people my results. I don't know, it's not something I've done in the past. Okay, I'm just going to take these glasses off. I don't really need them at this point. I don't normally show my results. It's just not something I'm comfortable with doing, but I've just decided that I'm getting a few people asking me, are you really making money from this? So I just wanted to show you that yes, I am. So let's just get back to the top of this, where I started yesterday. Okay, so yeah, so this is last week. So we've got Saturday, I had a couple of new leads come in. Now where it says where you have a new lead, those are from some free marketing that I'm doing. Okay, some free campaigns that I'm doing, and when it says Mike, a prospect just filled out something, then that is from some paid marketing. Okay, a solo ad campaign, which is what I did last week. Now, I actually got, I think it was 3 gold members, and so got 4 sales. I got 3 gold members, and I got a $6 lead lightning. Okay, now the $6 lead lightning was from one of my free methods, and the gold members all come from my paid methods. So it does pay to do paid stuff because you're going to earn more. A gold member, as it says here, a new gold member has arrived. Okay, this particular one was passed up to my sponsor. Okay, once you get to a certain point, every 5th one gets passed up to your sponsor. Yes, that's right. I think it's every 5th or every 10th. I can't remember now. But it gets passed up to your sponsor, which is absolutely fine because you get it at the other end. But you still make a 50% matching bonus from their pay line. So if this person starts making money using Power Lead System, if they start making, let's say, $1,000 a month, I'm going to get $500 a month from them. Okay, for doing absolutely nothing. I've already done the work. I've already run a solo ad, and I've got a gold member in for there. So there's my $6. That's a one-time, as I say, that's an upgrade from the free lead system. Just should show you in the email. you just earn $6 from commission, blah, 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 blah. No, it doesn't say that they upgraded, but yeah, it is definitely an upgrade. Okay, so yeah, it's worth doing free stuff, marketing the free lead system, because people do upgrade. So that's one gold member there. Just going to scroll down here a little bit. These are all the leads that come in. Now, these can become gold members at any time. Okay, absolutely any time. There's another gold member there. Okay, these stayed on my pay line, so that's paying me $20 per month plus the $50 matching bonus. Never forget the the 50% matching bonus. Okay, so that's another gold member, stayed on my pay line. And I know there's another one. There we go. There's another one there. That's another gold member that stayed on my pay line, paying me $20 a month and a 50% matching bonus. Now, what I want to show you, what I want to tell you about the gold members, I know some of you are going to be watching this and going, yippee-doo, $20 a month. Wow, you're going to break the bank with that sort of money. Now, if any business that you go into, whether it's online, offline, whether it's a hardware store or whatever, you have to get new customers all the time. You can't just go and get 5 customers in your first week and then sit back and think, right, that's it, rub my hands together, I've made some money. You've got to go out and get new customers all the time. Well, this is no difference. Okay, except you haven't got all the overheads of a store or a business where you're employing people and all that sort of rubbish that goes on in business. Okay, so you've got to go out and you've got to be consistent on getting new customers, and we'll show you how to do that. That's not an issue. Okay, we'll show you how to do that, how to set up your funnels, how to communicate with people, and how to get new customers coming in. Okay, and looking at your business now. So if I'm getting 2 to 3 people a week coming in, let's just say we're getting 2 new customers a week. That's $40 a week. So start from day one. You start this week and you get your funnel set up and you put some traffic to it, and you're going to get 2. You say you get 2 new sales. That's $20 this week. Okay. Next week you're going to get another 2. That's $20 for that week. Next week another 2. Next week another 2. So that's 4 weeks at $40, okay, a week. At the end of the month, you're making $160 a month. Big deal. I know. I can hear you all say, wow, I can't wait. But don't forget your 50% matching bonus. And there's another thing I'm going to show you in a minute. But anyway, let's forget about the matching bonuses. Let's just concentrate on making $20 residual commissions every month from every customer. So you're going to be making $160 a month. That's coming in every single month now. So the second month you're going to do exactly the same thing. Maybe step it up a little bit because you've got a little bit of income coming in, so you can afford to buy a little bit more traffic. Okay, so maybe step it up a little bit, but let's just say you're going to stay at the same level. You're going to be bringing in 2 sales a week. Okay, so at the end of week 8 you're going to be making another $160. So that's now $320 a month you've got coming in. Okay, so you've got $320 coming in. You're going to keep doing the same thing, rinse and repeat, do the same thing. And then at the end of your 3rd month, so at the end of your 12th week, you're going to have another $160 coming in. So that's $320. Add on your new $160, and that's $480. Let's round it off. Let's say you've got $500 because you're going to be getting one or two $6 lead lightning commissions coming in as well. Okay, so let's say you've got $500 coming in after 3 months, 12 weeks. That's no time at all. That'll go just like that. Okay, so you've got $500 coming in after 12 weeks. You just do the sums. You add it up, do the math. Okay, after 6 months, you're going to have $1,000. Okay, 24 weeks, you got $1,000 coming in. At the end of your first year, you're going to have $2,000 coming in every single month. Now, don't tell me that that's not going to make a difference to your bottom line. That's not going to make a difference to your life. $2,000 coming in every single week. That will make a difference to anybody's life, I guarantee you. But that's without even going into your 50% match bonuses. Don't forget, every time one of your customers makes $1,000, you're going to be getting $500 of that. Okay, you'll get $500. So that's, every time they make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, you get 50% of what they make. We match, Power Lead system matches that 50%. Okay, but now I just want to show you something else that's going to absolutely blow your mind. I'm just going to log into my Power Lead system back office. What you want to be doing when you get started here, I don't know whether this will work. I'm going to move that over there out the way. Okay, don't look at me. Don't look at me. Look me in the eyes, in the eyes. Okay, what you want to be doing is you want to turn all of these green as soon as you can when you actually join the Power Lead system. Very quickly now, very quickly. I'll do it in the order that I think it should be laid out in. Add your picture. Makes sense. You want people to know what you look like. Add your domain, add your domain. Okay, you can't use any of the tools without adding a domain. Okay, you can get a domain from the Power Lead system or from outside Power Lead system. Okay, become an affiliate. Becoming an affiliate positions you to make the $20 residual commissions that I've just been talking about. Okay, and then what you want to be doing now, do this at your own time, at your own pace. There's no pressure to do this, but you must know that you have to upgrade as soon as you possibly can and buy the diamond and the platinum products. The reason being, the diamond products is going to pay you $100 commissions. The platinum product is going to pay you $400 commissions. If you haven't purchased those, if you haven't purchased the diamond products and someone that you bring in as an affiliate, okay, someone you bring in as an affiliate actually goes and buys the diamond products, then I'm going to get paid. Thank you very much. I really appreciate the commission, but I'd rather it went into your pocket. Okay, same goes for the platinum. If you haven't bought that and somebody that you bring in as an affiliate buys the platinum products, buys Social Profit Academy, then I get that $400. Okay, so that's a potential $500 for every customer, every person that you bring in as an affiliate that could be passing you by. Now, as much as I enjoy the commission, I would rather see that go in your pocket. Okay, I'd rather see that go in your pocket, and that's what I want you to be saying to your sign-ups when you do your own videos and so on. So listen, if you're watching this on YouTube, then just click the link in below and have a look at what I'm talking about. Click the link in the description just below the video if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching it on Facebook, it could be anywhere. It could be up the top, it could be down the bottom. It depends on how I actually post it. Most likely going to be at the top. But yeah, just get in, have a look. Oh, I didn't say, you get a 7-day free trial. Okay, now if you're already in, I'm sending this out to all my existing gold affiliate members or team members. Okay, just so you can use this video if you want to use it, guys. But if you're already gold, just get upgraded to diamond, get upgraded to platinum as soon as you can, in your own time, no pressure, but it's for your own benefit, really. So that's it, really. I just wanted to give you a quick run through, show you my results from last week. There'll be another video next week when I'll show you the results from this week. Okay, so hopefully they'll be as good and as exciting. And yeah, see you on the inside. Okay, thanks for watching, and just sign up, guys. Get your 7-day free trial. If you don't like it, if you're not happy with it, just get out. But how can you not like the potential of making $500 plus per sale? Okay, right, that's me done, and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching.